2025 Aston Martin Vantage Review, a powerful leap forward. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is a significant update to the iconic Grand Tourer, boasting impressive upgrades in performance, technology, and interior comfort. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Performance. Engine. The Mercedes-sourced 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 now produces a staggering 656 horsepower, a massive 128 horsepower jump over the previous model. This translates to a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.4 seconds and a top speed of 202 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest Aston Martins ever. Transmission. The proven 8-speed ZF automatic transmission remains, paired with an electronic limited slip differential for improved handling and traction. Chassis. The chassis has been stiffened and revised for better agility and responsiveness. New Bilstein DTX adaptive dampers further enhance the driving experience. Exterior. The exterior design remains largely unchanged, with subtle updates to the front grille, headlights, and rear diffuser. The overall look is still sleek, aggressive, and unmistakably Aston Martin. Interior. The interior receives a major overhaul, featuring a new infotainment system with a larger touchscreen and improved graphics. The materials and finishes are of even higher quality, creating a more luxurious and comfortable cabin. New seats offer better support and comfort, while additional sound insulation makes the cabin quieter. Overall, the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is a significant step forward for the iconic sports car. It offers even more power, performance, and luxury than its predecessor, making it a compelling choice for discerning drivers who want a truly special car. Here are some additional points to consider. The V12 Vantage is no longer offered for 2025. Some reviewers find the exterior changes to be too subtle. The infotainment system is still not as user-friendly as some competitors.